Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You now begin by confirming compatibility and coverage. Make sure your phone supports local 5G bands and has the latest OS. Once done, insert the Globe 5G SIM and follow activation in Globe 1 or dial the activation UST. Next, enable mobile data, check APN is set to Globe settings, and choose 5G preferred mode in network options. This gets your device speaking the network language and prepares it to register with Globe's 5G cells immediately. Now focus on configuration and optimization. Open network settings, and if available, manually select the recommended 5G band for your area to improve stability. Then limit background sync and heavy app usage while testing so measurements reflect the network, not device load. Run a speed test near windows or outdoors to get the best signal and record latency, download, and upload numbers for comparison. If speeds are low, switch between 5G NSA and SA modes and move a few meters to finish by locking in settings and validating performance. Reboot your device and modem to force re-registration on Globe's 5G cluster, then rerun your speed test to confirm improvement. If issues persist, reset APN to default or re-enter Globe APN parameters and try both 5G modes again. One key troubleshooting tip: if registration still fails, remove and reinsert the SIM while powering off. Then collect the speed test results and signal identifiers before contacting Globe support so they can diagnose tower side or provisioning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.